It's Husqaverna clutomatic, and the threading is easy from here to down here, and then inside in this disc, and then you turn this flywheel, then see with turning it goes up and down. Okay, and this is the foot, and it's on zigzag at the moment. And this is its motor, it's also original, and this is mirroring its needle in very good condition, and you can see the wire also and this is the foot. When we press it like this, with mostly we press with this foot controller, because if we are sitting on 30 is fine. 30 is fine. No, it's 20 is a little too young, but I'll put 7. No, 50 is too old. And then we press it. It's doing the zigzag nicely. This is the back side. It's front side. And let's do the straight. I think it should be here for straight. And this is the needle position. I think it's all right now in the middle. It's the stitch length, and this is on straight for now. Yes, it is on straight. See the straight, and needle needs to be changed. What if we try it with the whole world? It's very fast machine actually, but I'm not pressing too much. See, when we press with foot or with hand, see how fast it is. And this is the bobbin winder, and it's different. When we do inside it, then it engages with bobbin winder, and the needle is not running, and when it's out, then it engages with needle. See, then it's not moving, it's needle moving. That's all.